Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we have to talk about business opportunity for you. That's right. You need to make that passive income, that extra income, streams of income. Well, please check out our 4500 Debt Box Node Group Economics Business Opportunity. That's what we're going to talk about today because time is running out if you want to get in and earn daily rewards from mining. That's right. Let's talk about it and stay tuned and welcome. Stop struggling now, gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, everybody, and I want to thank you once again for being here. And first and foremost, please share the videos. That's how we can help other people. You never know, one person, 100 people, 1,000 or more. You just never know who you can help and what people are looking for. Now, let's get into it. We're on the YouTube Stop Struggling Now channel page, and please notice we have a join button over here on the right hand side. That's how you become a member of the channel. You see a few members here that they proudly show, and by becoming a member you support the channel and you receive special messages under the community tab. You receive 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for you. You also can join me on the Wednesday night live stream, who can be in the chat room only. And on any live stream, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, all members with the icons next to their name can join me on screen and discuss any subject matter you would like. So no problems there. That's the benefits. Plus you have special emojis. Now let's get into this group economics plan. Remember, any investment you make, any business opportunity, any ring of fire opportunity, it's a risk, no matter how you slice it. All right, so keep that in mind. And what I'm going to discuss today is something that we've been working on. It is called the Debt Box Node. Just so you understand, the Debt Box Node mines, but it's backed by real world assets. Real world assets, commodities, that's oil, that's natural gas, it's gold, and other business entities. It could be agriculture. There's nodes for all of those. The nodes themselves cost, in case you want to do this by yourself and not as a group economics, the nodes cost $4,500 for a natural gas node, $2,500 for an agricultural node, $1,500 for a gold backed node, and for an aluminum backed node, and $1,250 for what they're calling an XPLR, which is a scan system from a satellite that makes the whole ecosystem work, quite frankly. So we are trying to get to the 4,500 number, but if you want to go it alone and earn all the rewards yourself, then there's a link down below that says IX Academy. All right, so therefore you can keep all the rewards because it mines rewards daily, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You're earning rewards, and these rewards are actual tokens. So we're talking crypto here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so that is what you need to understand. If you want to go alone, you can buy it yourself. That also entails you becoming a member of IX Global, which is the parent to IX Academy. And you can buy the nodes for what you see on the screen, 4,500, 2,500, 1,500, or $1,250. Or we can get into what our group economics is, we have reached $1,250. That means as a group, that qualifies for an XPLR node. So people can get that already, but we're ultimately seeing if we can get up to that 4,500, the minimum contribution is $250. You can do any increment of 250. It could be 250. You see them on the screen here. 500, 750, 1,000. It could be 1,250. It could be 1,500. It could be 2,000. It could be 2,250. 2,500 is the maximum that any one individual can put in. How can you put it in? By either, you see it here, PayPal, which means your debit, credit, or bank account, or also by crypto, USDT, and you can use different USDTs, whether it's a TRC20, a BEP20, because there's different blockchains, so that will be allowed. And once you choose the amount that you would like to contribute, then you hit pay here. And then on the next page, I'll show you in a second what we're talking about. Now, notice there's the description down here below. Please read it, all right? Any funds you put in for a node, it's automatically locked. It's not like you can withdraw it. You can't take it out. You can't do any sales of it because it's locked. So you're earning rewards from these commodities, all right? Now, let me explain the other thing, because rewards, yes, can be withdrawn because they are worth a certain monetary number. If you would like to withdraw your rewards, you only have January 15th and July 15th. Those are the dates that you will be able to withdraw your rewards if you would like to. All right? So you don't have to, but if you like to. Now, there is no monthly payment. Unlike if you go it alone, then you're going to have to become a member of IX Global, and that is right now $115 and up. So $115 gives you a link where you can share, like we have down below that says IX Academy. That works. Or as our group economics, you don't have to join anything. You don't have to pay monthly, and therefore you just earn these rewards. I'm going to show you what that looks like shortly, but please read this description, full disclosure, all right? Everything is a risk and funds are locked. You can't withdraw your primary amount that you put in, all right? Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you click here, and there's something else that's very important if you decide to join us in this adventure. When you come to here, you need to, when you get down to here, you see on the screen, yes, I want to cover the transaction fee. If you plan on using PayPal, credit cards, debit cards, there's a transaction fee, and you need to click this. Otherwise, your amount may not get in there. So in other words, if you don't click this, your amount drops to around $241 is what will be attributed to the amount that you put in. Now, some of you might be saying, what about the percentage? That's it exactly. If you put in $250, you are entitled to 5.5% of the rewards. All right? And by contrast, if you do not check that box, then you are entitled to roughly 5.3% of the rewards. So there's a little bit of difference, and then it starts going out exponentially, because the more you put in and don't check that box, then the more that's going to come out. So keep that in mind. And that's also brings me to the point of, if you put in whatever amount it is, it's based on the node amount. So like right now, $250 on a $1,250 node means you get 20% of the rewards, and that would be like XPLR node, right? So it's all based on the amount of the node that we purchased and how much you put in. So again, it's a percentage based on what you put in. So for instance, if we reach 4,500 and you put in 2,250, then you would receive 50% of the rewards, All right, that's how simple it is, just to give you an idea. So that's how it's all based on what you can and can't withdraw, the amount, and how you can figure it out yourself. Now, this is going to be short and sweet. If you have any questions, make comments down below the video. It's that simple. Or you can always send me an email, but I'd prefer if you made comments down below, because then other people may see your question and then that way they can get the answer. But if you need to send me an email, that's fine. It's support@stopstrugglingnow.com. All right. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the back office once we do a node. All right. Once you have a node, this is the back office. Here's the rewards. And for instance, here's an XPLR node. And when you click on that, you can see it's pretty basic, pretty simple. Mined last cycle 469 reward tokens. It's XPLR, which is a token. So therefore, 469 every 24 hours. And it runs basically 8 p.m. Eastern to 8 p.m. Eastern. After that, then it starts over, and that's where the current cycle will be. Just like you see 415, because it's not 8 p.m. yet. So therefore, it must be, well, 5 p.m. or 6, somewhere around there right now. By the time it's 8 p.m., it's going to be around 469, 470 mined tokens. And then they give you the total up top. So the previous node, as group economics went, we're up to 16,000. And then, of course, if you had, let's say, 10% 10% of it, which everybody has 20 actually if you put in 250. So I'll use 20%. That means roughly 20% is around 3,200 rewards, something like that. After the day, another 20% of 415, another 80 on top. So be almost 3,300 rewards after tonight. All right, for anybody that put in only 250 and the node was $1,250. So that's 20% and rising. So again, that is beautiful. Now, one important thing, when you want your rewards, remember there is a fee taken out by the company, the DebtBox company here. Not a fee that we're charging or anything like that. The fee they're taking out is 10%. So keep that in mind. All right? Anything you withdraw that has to go into the wallet, they take out 10%. So for instance, I don't know if they still have, no, they don't have the news. Here we go. Here's the news here. And so I wasn't planning on showing this part, but nonetheless, the news was about the 10% coming out. So just keep that in mind as well, because I want to make sure it was 10%, quite frankly. But I can't remember if it was 10% or not. But that's what you need to remember, is that there is a fee when you start. So it's not my fee, it's the company's fee. All right? It's that simple. So I'll get back to the rewards page, and you guys should understand how this works. And again, you will only be able to withdraw these January 15th if you want your rewards. Not everybody's going to want their rewards. And July 15th. Those are the two time frames roughly that you'll be able to withdraw. So again, these are tokens, and we're hoping to reach the $4,500 DebtBox node. And this is the business opportunity. So get in now, ladies and gentlemen, before it's too late, because we only have a few more days before we're going to cut this off, and then a node, and somebody's going to be earning passive income. So with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here, and that's why in the future, you're going to have to keep looking for these passive income opportunities, these extra streams of revenue opportunities, because you never know what's going to happen with our economy or the world. So with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.